Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro JPY, Euro Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro JPY, and you can clearly see that I have got two lines on the chart here. First and foremost, this line 129.60. This level is the support for the market, whereas this pink line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. Before going further, I would like to show you this chart. This is just the 4-hour chart of the Euro JPY, but this is a zoomed out version. Okay, so you can clearly see on this chart that why I mentioned 129.60 as the support for the market, because you can clearly see that apart from taking support here, market has taken support at this level for a long time. So for a long time, this level is acting as a support for the market. Whenever market came down to this price level, it got the required support. So which means that some buyers some buyers are present in the market, or some buyers are sitting at this price level who are not allowing the market to cross this price level. Therefore 129.60 is an extremely crucial support for the market. Apart from this crucial support, we have got this trend line. This trend line has no particular value because this is a dynamic resistance. In your charting platform or trading platform, you can also draw these lines in the 4 hours time frame easily. So you can see that whenever market is trying to go up here, market was facing resistance at the trend line, and as a result this trend line is also acting as a strong resistance for the market. And if we just observe this chart carefully, then we can easily see that this chart resembles to descending triangle pattern. So this chart resembles a descending triangle pattern. In a descending triangle pattern, we get a support, and we get a market where market forms higher lows, which means that though market is having a proper support here, though market is having a proper strong support, and whenever the support is pushing the price upward, sellers are pushing the price again, and as a result market forms lower highs. Because you can also see in this chart that whenever market is going up, whenever market is trying its best to recover, market is unable to cross the previous high, rather market is just forming lower highs, and which is a clear indication that though market is getting support from this particular level, but still sellers are present in the market, and their influence is much more in comparison to buyers. Just keep in mind. And in a descending triangle pattern, the best trading opportunity is when market crosses this support level, or in this case when market will cross this level 129.60 level, you can make an entry by shorting the market. You can make an entry, or you can short the market at 129 once market crosses the 129.60 level. So this is the best trading opportunity, or the only trading opportunity if we go by the theory. But in this chart, you can see that market is also getting resistance from the trend line. Therefore, don't you think if market goes up from here, and if market reverses from this trend line, we can short the market? Yes, my dear friends, we can easily short the market if market reverses from the trend line. Let's assume market goes up from here, and price starts struggling near the resistance, and that is quite natural. If you see price struggling near the resistance, if you see that price is unable to cross the trend line, Once you get the confirmation that the trend line that Abhilash said in his video is still acting as a resistance for the market, then you can also short the market at the trend line. Okay. And you'll get the confirmation with the help of shooting star pattern or a red candle like this. Once you get the confirmation that yes, price is unable to cross the trend line, then you can also short the market here. Apart from the trend line, we also have this 50 moving average also, because you can see that here apart from the trend line we also have the 50 moving average. Here also we had the 50 moving average, so we can also add 50 moving average as well as draw this trend line which is acting as a resistance for the market and wait for the perfect opportunity to short the market. So if you ask me, Avilas, what is the best trading opportunity in the Euro JPY chart, then I'll tell that the best trading opportunity is to short the market here and short the market if market crosses this support level. Apart from these two levels, you should not trade in the middle, because see, market is trading here, and as you know, I do not prefer to compromise with the trading discipline. I always tell that do not chase the market, let the price come to you. Here market is in the middle. If you short the market, okay, if you short the market here, then your stop loss will be here, and this is a crucial support, so this is your take profit target. So we can clearly see that um, your risk to reward ratio does not match. You're compromising with the trading discipline because the price is in the middle. Therefore you cannot short the market because it is not a ideal position. On the other hand, if you go for buy opportunities, or if you are thinking about buying here, then there is no point of buying here, because overall market is in downtrend. You can clearly see that market is in downtrend and the number of sellers are higher. If you are planning for a buy order here, then you are risking your hard-earned money and you are going against the overall trend. Therefore buying is also not a good option here. And if we go to the currency strength meter, we can clearly see that Japanese yen is the strongest currency for the day and euro seems to be the weakest currency for the day. So this is a euro Japanese yen currency pair, and you can clearly see on the currency strength meter that Japanese yen is the strongest today. Therefore buying is not in our cards right now, or buying is not a good position. Okay, buying will not be a wise decision also. Therefore do not buy or do not go for any order here. Okay, just wait for the perfect opportunity. And if you go to the forex sentiment meter, then you can see that retail traders are also very much confused. 44% have taken short position and 55% have taken long position. So retail traders also seem to be very much in a confusing state of mind. And if we go to the forex heat map, then you can see that euro JPY, there is a change of 0.05%. As I've clearly told you earlier, that to make money in the market we need movement. There is not much movement in the euro JPY going on. Therefore look for other opportunities, or wait for at least euro JPY to come down to your price level. Not you trade in the middle. So it will be a very bad decision. Anyways, you'll find this forex heat map and the forex sentiment meter in my website avilashrekha.com under the forex 101 section. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully I've understood that you need to trade here and here only. These are the two best trading opportunities or two best shorting opportunities. Apart from that, do not trade in the middle. Do not compromise with the trading discipline. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.